Hey guys, Philip from the Honda Resource. Thanks so much for joining me on another episode. So today we're going to be reviewing a Medesasi rear cargo mat for 2018 to 2021 Honda CRV. Hester over at Medesasi sent me this floor mat, or this truck mat, cargo mat, in addition to the floor mats. And the only really thing that I have bad to say about the cargo mat was that it came in the square box, and it was rolled up in the square box, and it took a day or so laying out in the sun to flatten out in order to where it would lay flat in the back of the CRV. We'll just take it out of the plastic. Sit down. So just unroll the floor or the trunk mat. Fits in there kind of like so. Since it was rolled up, probably need to get some kind of weight or something to put on each side just to hold it down. So you can see I've got some blocks of wood there to hold it down. Now once you put it out in the sun or something where it could form and maybe lose a little bit of that shape from where it was rolled up, it would fit pretty nice in here. So in my case, I like to work on cars. So we got a cylinder head. It's oily, it's nasty, but I know that nothing's going to get in the floor of this because this mat's going to catch everything. So, and you can see, like, it's oily under there. So I'll show you how well it washes off. So now we've got it over here out of the car. I've still got my blocks of wood to hold it down. I'm just going to put a little degrease on there because I got some grease on me. You can see it does fit in here pretty well. We do have the cargo mat, or the cargo thing down here on the bottom on the lowest setting, to where it would fit in here a little bit better, because when it's on the higher setting it really has deep pockets on the side here. But yeah, it fits up well up here, and they like to go to the beach and stuff, and you can see they had sand and stuff back here before. See all the sand? So now when they go to the beach, this mat right here will catch all of their sand and stuff. But yeah, I think they're more excited about the cargo mat than they are the floor mats. But this cargo mat definitely did fit really well. And if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to other all-season floor mats or cargo mats that are on the market, the Medesasi is definitely a viable option. Yeah, anyway, if you're looking for a nice cargo mat that would fit the 2018 to 2021 Honda CRV, look no further than the Medesasi mat. It fits exceptionally well in the back of the CRV, and I think it's going to serve them really well on their beach trips, keeping all the sand and stuff out of the factory cargo or the factory tire wheel and all the stuff in the back of the carpet and whatnot. Thanks again to Medesasi for sending me over this mat. Again, if you do get one of these, I would recommend laying it out in the sun for a day or so, just so that it lays flat, because it definitely did not want to lay flat right out of the box. But after a day in the sun, she was good to go. So anyways, thanks again for checking out this video, and if you're interested in the floor mats, check that video out in the right hand corner up here. And as always, I hope to see you on another video soon. Thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.